Jai Gurudev, Day 17, Vedhan, Piercing of Shat Chakras. There are 6 gates on the way leading to the origin of Kundalini power, or it may be said that this path is locked by 6 locks. Human soul can reach the inner energy centers by opening these gates or locks. These 6 obstructions are called Shat Chakra in spiritual language. These 6 chakras are related to Brahmanadi, which is one of the 3 nadis situated in the innermost part of Shushuma. They can also be compared to lotus flowers strung into the thread of a garland. Readers will be able to see in the picture on the next page where a particular chakra is located in the body. Mooladhara chakra lies in the genital region, Swadhisthana chakra in the portion between the navel and the pubic region, Manipur chakra in the umbilicus region, Anahat chakra near the heart, Vishnu Dhakya chakra near the neck, Agya chakra in the middle of the both eyebrows, above all lies Sahasrara. Shushuma and 3 nadis encased within it, namely Vajra, Chitrani and Brahmanadi, are so subtle that they cannot be seen by naked eye. The corresponding chakras are still more subtle. Any attempt to operate upon the body to locate Shat chakras will be ridiculous and futile because the power of vision of human eye is very much limited. Sound waves, atoms of air, germs of disease cannot be diagnosed by naked eye. Still, their existence cannot be denied. Yogis have seen these chakras by their yogic vision and have gained miraculous knowledge, insights and powers through investigation of the inner being of man. They have given a well-organized scientific description of such investigation and presented it before those who are interested in the subject. Shat chakras are like subtle knots, granthis, formed in the passage of Brahmanadi. When a sadhak concentrates his mind on these chakras, he has unusual experiences of subtle conditions prevailing there. These knots, granthis, are not circular but angular like petals of a flower. These petals are called Padmadal. They are like a bunch of fibers. These chakras are of different hues because of energies of various potencies of elements dominant in different granthis. This also affects the quantity and color of the blood of that region. The color changes to pink, blue, red and smoky according to the prominence of elements of earth, water, fire, air and sky respectively. The mixture of these elements changes the color of each chakra. When a weevil, woodworm, cuts through the wood, the cut portion assumes different shapes. When vital breath, pranvayu, passes through these chakras, its passage becomes slightly zigzagged according to the position of the granthi. It takes different shapes similar to the shape of some letters of Devanagari script, and they are called the letters of that particular chakra. In a fast-flowing river, whirlpools of different shapes are formed at different points. When the vital breath of Shushuma flows rapidly through these chakras, subtle whirlpools are formed which are quadrangular, triangular, hexagonal, circular, semicircular and phallus-like in shape. The flame of rising fire is thick at the bottom and thin at the top. Thus, an irregular triangle is formed when the chakras are pierced. Different shapes are thus formed by the flow of vital breath. These are known as yantras of chakras. Human body is formed of 5 basic elements of earth. Water, fire, air and ether. Different parts of the body are constituted and governed by mixture of these elements in various proportion. If the portion of particular element increases or decreases beyond what is required, that part of the body becomes diseased. Existence of elements is requisite proportion at a relevant location is considered to be a sign of good health. There is prominence of one element in each chakra. It is known as the element of that chakra. When vital breath passes through the hollow Brahmanadi and it collides with the holes of the chakra, sound similar to one produced by playing on a flute emanates. Sounds like sa, re, ga, ma flow through the holes of the chakra and they are audible as yana, yang, ina, la, rana, ra, hana, ha, o, etc. These are known as seeds of these chakras. There is a difference in the speed of breath in different chakras. The pulse of persons having the element of vat, pitta or kapha in prominence moves with the speed of pigeon, frog, serpent or cock, etc. And physicians, Vaidyas, diagnose and treat accordingly. Due to mixture of different elements, zigzag passage, whirlpools, and coordination of seeds, etc., a specific speed is noticed in every chakra on account of blood circulation and breathing. This speed is sluggish like that of an elephant or a crocodile, or as fast as a deer or a frog in different chakras. These speeds are named after the particular animals, which are mounts, vahans of different chakras. Different divine energies lie dominant within these chakras. Creation, maintenance, destruction, knowledge, prosperity, strength, etc. have been regarded as energies of specific deities. In every chakra, there are hot masculine as well as cold feminine elements, because without the union of these two elements, there can be no movement or life. These powers are known as the god or goddesses of particular chakra. The 5 elements have their own characteristic. Smell, flavor, form, touch and sound are the characteristics of earth, water, fire and air and ether respectively. In accordance with the prominence of the elements concerns its characteristic predominance in each chakra. These are known as characteristics of chakra. The subtle energy of these chakra flow in the entire body, but it is mainly related to one organ of sense and one organ of action. The symptoms of awakening of these chakras are immediately reflected in these organs. On account of such relationship, that particular organ is categorized as the organ of that chakra. Peculiar names of divine energy, that is Dakini, Rakini, Shakini, Hakini, etc., could be misunderstood to something like ghost, witch, etc. But this is not so. Right from the mouth to the navel, there is a circular chain of letters from A to Ha. The beads of this chain are known as matrikas. On their basis, rishis have formulated letters of the alphabet. The matrika by which the deity of chakra is linked is known as divine energy of that deity. Letters Da, Ra, La, Ka, Sha have been prefixed to the word Kini, signifying mantrikas, and thus the word Dakini, Rakini, etc. have been formulated, which are all names of divine powers. After understanding these definitions, it will be easy for the readers to understand the following introductory information about the 6 chakras. Mooladhara chakra. Location is near the anus. Color is red. Lok, Bhulok. Letters of the petals are V, Sh, Sh, Sa. Elements earth. Seed, La. Vahan, elephant. Characteristic smell. Divine power, Dakini. Instrument, quadrangular. Organ of sense, nose. Organ of action, anus. Result of meditation, becomes an orator, best among human beings, lover of all learnings, healthy, joyous, has potentially of becoming a poet or a writer. Swadhisthana chakra. Location between the navel and pubic region near penis. Petals 6. Color vermilion. Lok, Bhuvaha. Element water. Seed, Pa. A mount is a crocodile. Characteristic flavor. Deity is Vishnu. Divine energy power is Dakini. Instrument, yantra like moon of the second day of lunar fortnight. Chandrakar. Organ sense tongue. Organ of action phallus. Result of meditation, destruction of perversions like vanity, eradication of illusion and attachments, creative power. Manipur chakra. Location navel. Petals 10. Color blue. Lok Swaha. Mount Ram. Characteristic form. Deity Rudra. Divine power. Shakini instrument. Triangular or organs of sense are eyes. Organ of action is feet. Result of meditation. Power of destruction and maintenance and materialization of whatever is uttered from the mouth. Anahat chakra. Location heart. Petals 12. Color reddish brown. Lok Mahaha. Element air. Divine power Kakini. Instrument hexagonal. Organ of sense skin. Organ of action hand. Result of meditation divine power knowledge. Awakening control over sense organs. Power to enter into the body of other person. Vishuddhakya chakra. Location neck. Petals 16. Color smoky. Element sky. Mount Elephant, characteristic sound, deity Sadashiv with 5 faces, divine power Shakini, instrument circular in the form of 0, organ of sense ear, organ of action leg, result of meditation peace of mind, vision to see to the past, present and future, long life, brilliance, benevolence. Agya Chakra, location between the eyebrows, petals 2, color white, element Maha, mount sound, deity Jyotirlinga, divine power, Hakini, instrument, phallus like, Lok Tapaha, result of meditation, fulfillment of all aspirations. Shat chakras consist of aforesaid 6 chakras, but some people regard Sahasrar or Sahasra Dal Kamal as the 7th chakra and call it the Shunya chakra. Its location is the top of the brain. Petals 1000 beyond the 5 elements. Its seed is Visarga and mount is 0. Its deity and divine energy are Parabrahma and Mahashakti respectively. Its instrument is like full moon. Its light is formless. The result of this meditation is devotion, immortality, samadhi and acquisition of all riddhi siddhis, divine powers. Kundalim is the source of power. It is the divine spiritual spark closest to the main physical body. It contains unimaginable mysterious powers in the seed form. It is light. Its light is reflected in these 6 chakras. 9 planets of the solar system revolve around the sun, which is the center. All the planets are influenced and permeated with the heat, light, gravitation and other powers of the sun. All the chakras in the same manner are suffused with the powers of Kundalini. A safe contains several small components. The beehive contains several small sacs, some of which remain full of honey. In the same manner, the light of Kundalini is encased in the chakras. With the awakening of chakras, the mysterious energy underlying them also gets awakened, a brief indication of which will be given in the foregoing discussion. Vedhan, piercing of chakras. It is a great science to pierce through the chakras, reach up to the Kundalini at its base, awaken it and utilize its energy for spiritual development. Kundalini yoga is far more hazardous than nuclear science. One must undertake it only under the guidance of an adept and not by reading texts on the subjects. Piercing of chakra is done through meditation. Everybody knows the human brain is like an energy house and the mind is its main power. Ordinarily, movements of the mind are flickering and unsteady. On account of this turmoil, there cannot be concentration of energy at one point. So nothing worthwhile can be accomplished. So as long as the mind remains disturbed, in the absence of such concentrations, precious moments of life are wasted. When the rays of the sun are concentrated through a magnifying glass, fire is produced. In the same way, with the help of accumulated energy of concentration, a sadhak can pierce through the chakras of meditation. Meditation is the super science of mind by which energy scattered in multifarious channels can be collected and conserved, thus producing an exceedingly powerful beam of light. Different texts have been prescribed different ways of piercing through Shat chakras. There are some systems which are traditionally in vogue, in which the spiritual master, Guru, imparts specialized training to his disciples. Success can be achieved by all these methods provided this sadhana is performed with utmost faith, devotion and confidence under the guidance of a competent guide. The easiest sadhana by which chakras can be pierced through and awakened without any hazard is described below.